Hello everyone, I'm Rafu, and today we are gonna be talking about common Live2D problems that riggers face. And one of them is jagged edges in hair physics. Have you ever encountered while you were rigging something like this? While it might not be apparent on the smaller strands of hair, it will be on larger types. Now, what causes these? The blocky strands moving around that doesn't really make sense. Well, there's two reasons for this. First is the art mesh. Maybe your art mesh is not as detailed as you need it to be, because an art mesh moves the texture behind it via triangles, so it can only deform as much as the triangle contains. So you might need it to be more fine, but you can do this by going to the automatic mesh generator, going preset, and then going heavy. Make sure that there is no texture that's left outside, because heavy auto mesh generators usually do it so that some parts of the hair is outside of the art mesh. So thankfully not. We can continue and check it out. We can continue and check it out. But what is this, Rafu? You ask. It's still there. Well, that gives us to the second reason that this might be happening. It's not only the art mesh, but it is your deformer. I see a lot of people do this when they're first starting out. They are afraid to change the number of conversion divisions. Well, my friends, you should not be afraid. You could go 99 out of 99. Yes, it will lag your PC, but I hope you just have a PC powerful enough. While I do not recommend going 99 out of 99, you can. In my opinion, it doesn't matter. It just, how much are you willing to give up to make this piece of hair detailed? What I recommend is going by 9x9, which is the recommended one for the maximum amount of number conversion divisions that you should have before it starts bugging out. And if you look at this, it's better, but not perfect. And why is that? Well, when you change the number conversion after you have already made the presets, it still has those blocky parts. For this one, I think we don't have enough height. So let's add more number conversions, which is after 15. Do not be afraid to go over. You might see a warning. I have disabled it. You will see a warning that says you should not go over 9x9, which, in all honesty, you don't need to worry about it, because if you have a beefy enough PC or a laptop that's able to handle the amount of usage that Live2D needs, then it should be fine. Now let's see the hair strand. See that it's much more smoother and less jagged. So the problem with the hair physics was art mesh and the deformer. So let's do that now for this other piece of hair. As you can see, it is still blocking. And like I said, sometimes the art mesh and the deformers just don't go as well as planned. So you have to deform them and fix them. And there you have it. No more jagged edges on your hair physics. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and post down in the comments if you have any suggestions or any questions on what you want to learn about Live2D that you want me to teach you. Anyhow, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.